Did you know that daily squats can transform more than just your legs? Imagine sculpting a stronger, more toned body, improving your posture, boosting your energy, and even elevating your self-esteem, all with a simple exercise. In this video, we'll explore how daily squats can revolutionize your life, going beyond physical benefits and impacting your overall well-being. Are you tired of feeling low on energy? Do you want to improve your workout performance, or simply feel better every day? Here, you'll discover how integrating squats into your routine can be a game-changer for achieving your fitness and health goals. We will reveal the secrets to maximizing results and making the exercise an enjoyable part of your daily routine. Stay with me until the end and discover practical tips, expert guidance, and inspiring stories from people who have transformed their lives with daily squats. Don't miss this chance to take the first step toward a stronger, healthier, and happier version of yourself. Squats are known to be one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the legs and glutes. By engaging large muscle groups like the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, they promote significant muscle strength gains. This not only results in more toned and defined muscles, but also improves endurance and the ability to perform other physical activities with greater ease. Another crucial benefit of squats is improved posture. When performed correctly, squats work the core muscles, including the abdomen, lower back, and spinal stabilizers. A strong core is essential for maintaining an upright and healthy posture, preventing back pain and common postural problems. Additionally, squats help improve balance and coordination, which are essential for preventing falls and injuries. Squats also increase flexibility and joint mobility. As you lower and rise during the movement, you work the range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. This is especially important for maintaining joint health and preventing stiffness as we age. Now, let's demonstrate how to execute squats correctly to maximize these benefits. Make sure to pay attention to posture and technique to avoid injuries and achieve the best possible results. Beyond the evident physical benefits, daily squats have a significant impact on mental health and self-esteem. Regular exercise releases endorphins, hormones that promote a sense of well-being and happiness. This means that by including squats in your routine, you will not only strengthen your body but also experience an improvement in mood, greater mental clarity, and reduced levels of stress and anxiety. Another important benefit is increased energy and disposition. Many people report feeling more energized throughout the day after a few weeks of regular squat practice. This happens because squats help improve blood circulation and cardiovascular system efficiency, providing more oxygen and nutrients to muscles and organs. As a result, you can feel more alert and productive in your daily activities. Inspiring stories of people who have incorporated squats into their daily routines illustrate these benefits tangibly. For example, Maria, a mother of two, not only regained her postpartum physical form but also reported a significant improvement in her confidence and self-esteem. João, an IT professional, found in squats an effective way to combat sedentary behavior and work stress, resulting in a more balanced and healthy life. These examples show how squats can transform lives in profound and comprehensive ways. Integrating squats into your daily routine can be simpler than you imagine. Start by setting aside a few minutes of your day to practice them. You can do squats while watching TV, during work breaks, or even while waiting for your coffee to brew. The important thing is to find moments that fit naturally into your routine, making exercise a regular part of your day. For beginners, I recommend starting with basic squats, focusing on proper form. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself as if you were sitting in a chair, keeping your knees aligned with your feet and your chest lifted. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions per set, aiming to complete 3 sets. As you become more comfortable, you can increase the number of repetitions or add variations like jump squats or weighted squats. If you already have a more advanced fitness level, you can try different squat variations to keep the challenge and maximize results. Dumbbell squats, Bulgarian split squats, and barbell squats are great options to intensify the exercise. Always remember to warm up before starting and stretch after the workout to prevent injuries and promote muscle recovery. By integrating these practices into your routine, you will turn squats into a healthy and beneficial habit for both body and mind. To achieve the best results with squats, it is essential to start with a good warm-up. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles and joints for physical exertion, reducing the risk of injury. Include dynamic movements like jumping jacks, high knees, or a light jog in place to increase blood circulation and prepare your body for squats. This will ensure that you can perform the exercises more efficiently and safely. Correct technique is fundamental to maximizing the benefits of squats and avoiding injuries. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders back, and core engaged throughout the movement. Ensure that your knees do not go past your toes when you lower down, and go as low as your thighs, being parallel to the floor or lower, if possible. Using a mirror or recording a video of yourself can help correct form and identify possible adjustments. To intensify the workout and continue progressing, consider using additional weights or incorporating advanced squat variations. Dumbbells, kettlebells, or a barbell can increase resistance and challenge your muscles in new ways. Additionally, try variations like jump squats, pistol squats, one-legged, or Bulgarian split squats to keep the workout interesting and effective. Remember to gradually adjust the load and intensity to avoid overloading and allow your body to adapt to the new stimulus. To ensure you are getting the most out of your squats, it is valuable to listen to what fitness experts have to say. According to physiotherapist Dr. Ana Silva, proper squat practice is crucial to avoid injuries and maximize benefits. She recommends focusing on technique and not rushing to add weight before mastering the basic movement. Most injuries occur due to improper form or excessive load. Keep your posture aligned and avoid overloading your knees, she advises. In addition to technique, the frequency of squats is also an important point. Personal trainer Carlos Santos suggests incorporating squats into your exercise routine at least 3 times a week to see visible results. Consistency is key. Regular squats not only strengthen muscles but also improve endurance and flexibility over time, he says. He also recommends varying the types of squats to work different muscles and avoid monotony. Finally, it is essential to pay attention to your body's signals. Fitness trainer Marina Oliveira emphasizes the importance of listening to your body and adjusting your workout as needed. If you feel intense pain or discomfort, it is crucial to stop and assess your technique or consult a professional. Sometimes small corrections can make a big difference in the safety and effectiveness of the exercise, she explains. She also highlights the importance of rest and recovery, reminding that muscles need time to repair and grow. These expert guidelines can help guide your squat practice, making it safer and more effective. In summary, daily squats are a powerful tool to transform not just your legs, but your entire body and well-being. They strengthen muscles, improve posture, increase flexibility, and provide significant mental benefits. By integrating squats into your daily routine, you can experience a positive change in your energy, mood, and confidence, as well as prepare your body for other physical activities. Don't miss the opportunity to reap all these benefits. Start incorporating squats into your routine today by following the tips and guidance shared throughout this video. Remember to maintain consistency, focus on proper technique, and progress gradually. Share your results and experiences in the comments. We love hearing transformation and success stories. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you won't miss any new videos. We are committed to bringing valuable information and practical tips to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we will continue to explore effective ways to improve your quality of life. Together, we can reach a stronger, healthier, and happier version of ourselves. See you next time, and remember, your body and mind appreciate every effort you make to take care of yourself.